Hi guys, Sourdough Kathy here. Got another short clip for you, I hope. But it's another potato reveal because these are starting to look really rough on the outside and they are getting very full on the inside. So I've got my first pot here that I'm going to cut down. I'm going to take out our sticks. And you can see how it just went kapluk. It is very, very droopy. So, I can see potatoes already on the top here. Little ones, but nonetheless, potatoes. Right there. I'm going to turn this over here. This one's a little wet. Wow. Nice. Little potatoes, but you have to remember, these were all started from 2 little pieces of skin with a chit on it. That was it. So let's see what we got here. Anymore, and some of them were going to get ready to break through the pot. These were very small. Oh wow, some nice ones, just perfect sized ones. And these are Alaskan Reds, and I did get them. I didn't buy starter. They were just old ones that I had in a bag in the house. So I just, wow, nice one here, almost the size of my hand. Wow, I'm not complaining at all, considering 2 little pieces of skin did this. Let's see if we can even find where it started. This is where it started, right here. This little piece of what's left of skin. Nothing. Let's see if there's anything else. Here's probably, yeah, here's the other one. Just nothing more than skin. And you can see potatoes actually started right there. I shall put that in there. Ooh, I found another one. Ooh, nice one. And I'm sure there's little dog-sized ones in here, but since my dogs really don't like them, they're not Molly from Homegrown Veg. I bet she would love them. Okay, I have a bowl over here on the side. And I have my scale. And the sad thing is, it's so shady here. Not shady, but sunny. I'm not sure you'll be able to see it. I can hardly see it, but I'm going to tear it out. I guess it would help if I put the bowl on it. Tearing to 0. Down to 0. Come on. They're not working right here. Give me a second, folks. Okay, we're teared at 0 now. And I'm going to put these man, these are nice potatoes. Holy mackerel, they are just sweet. Some have a little bit of scab, but that's not unusual. Nobody's going to eat the skin anyway. few small. Got to be really careful because the skin is so soft. I'm not even going to put these two in. That is 2 pounds 50 ounces. So for 2 little pieces of skin, we almost have 3 pounds again. The last video we had 3.01. So I'm going to take this and put it on the side and put these potatoes back in this pot. And we'll check out this next one right here. As you can see, I've had to hold them up because if you don't plant them really deep, you do it from skins, they get leggy, very leggy. And sometimes even your normal ones get leggy. One thing that's nice, doing it this way, there's absolutely no blight whatsoever on any of them. So I don't have to worry about putting this into my compost pile or anything. All right, here we go. It's another heavy one. I just gave them all some water so I could get them out easier. And I can tell this one was not as deep. The stuff was on top, as you can see. Closer to the top. Now this one has a slight split in it. Doesn't mean it's inedible, and it's split here. And that's because when you have a drastic change in moisture from dry to wet or wet to dry, this is what happens. Doesn't make it inedible, it just makes it look ugly. There's some more. Let me put these up here so you can see them a little bit. But look at this one. Oh, this one, crazy looking. I mean, this is really a crazy looking one. And I'm sure this had everything to do with watering, but it's nuts. It's a really wonky looking potato. Here's some really nice ones. Wow. I think this one has a little bit of green, and I think this is probably the one at the top. All you have to do is peel that off. But this bucket definitely went through some changes with water. Here's another strange looking spud. Ooh, we got an ant in here too. So that may have been causing some problems. I don't know what they would have done, but not a bad little stack for 2 little pieces of skin. And I think this potato may have been one of my, I had one potato that was a colored, that has 2 colors to it. And I think this may have been it, because this one has all kinds of colors, red and white. So this may have been that potato. Well, I think that's about it. We'll take a quick weigh in here. Teared at 0. I do have one potato here that was split. I'm not even going to count that one in. That one's no good. This is the problem. We have been having the warmest heat that I have seen since probably 15 years ago when El Nino came through here. It's been in the 80s, low 70s, high, mid 80s. Okay, that gave me 2.144. So in 2 buckets I got close to 5 pounds of potatoes out of, and if this one had been good, a little bit more. Well, that's all for now, folks. Thanks for visiting. I'll probably doing another 1 or 2 of these in the future. Thanks for letting me know that you enjoy this kind of stuff, these potato reveals. Please check if you enjoyed it. Subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification button if you choose to. I enjoy being with y'all, love y'all, and you take care now. Bye-bye.